Me and the three musketeers just walking in the snow. Oh yeah, that's what we're doing. That's what we'll be doing today. The likelihood of us finding sheds are 0. We're not finding any. We're not finding any sheds, are we, Shy? It's not gonna happen. Okay, ready to go. Oh shit. Okay. Alright. Let's go right up here. Hey, hey. No sheds so far today. What do you expect? Do I look like a shed hunter? Okay, I like this spot up here. My favorite. Never found a shed here though. Never found one. Never found one first spot. Hey. Careful. Come on, Shy, come here. Here. Come here. Come on, Cheyenne. There's no shed in there. Stupid. As you can see, I sold that possum, but I did not want Cheyenne to see it because she would have seen it. Oh God, probably would have got rabies. Is that a big buck print, or is that a? I think that's a giant buck print, bro. Oh, we got a shed. First shed of the year, no joke. Literally, I'm not kidding, dude. We found it right on camera. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Right on camera, dude. Shine, get shed. Get shed. Get shed. Find shed. Shine. Find shed. Find shed. Are you serious? This is my shed dog for you. Oh, she found it, dude. There's another one, dude. She found it. She found her first shed, dude. She did it. She did it, dude. She found her first shed. Oh, yes, you did on camera. Oh, yes, you did. Oh, yes, you did. I didn't even see it, and you did. You did. You knew I found that one, didn't you? Good girl. Good girl. Yes. Okay. It's fucking. Oh. Hey, nope. Hold up. Come on. Sit. Stay. Stay. Come on. Let go. No. Giant. God damn it. Get out of the way. Silly goose. Straight up. Found them on camera. They're not very big though. Been off a while. Ooh, this one hasn't though. What the hell? This is right where he's living because this one's blood and that one's not. That's weird. But anyways, first 2 sheds of February. We found 2 yesterday, so I have 5. This is my 7th, 6 and 7. So hell yeah, let's go, dude. Just shed hunting outdoors, buddy. Giant tracks. That's not a fucking cow either, buddy. Actually, it might be.